Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kesef. If you are new here, you are welcome, and if I are a return subscriber, thank you so much for still sticking around with your girl. So without any further ado, let's jump right to this video. So guys, for my primer, I'm using my Huda Beauty Water Gel Hydrating Primer. My skin is already moisturized, so guys, you know I cannot do without moisturizing my skin before I go in with my primer. Another primer that I know that can give you the same result from this primer is Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Yeah. For my foundation today, I'm using my NARS foundation, and this one is the shade dark 1 and dark 2. I don't know if dark 1 is going to be too dark or dark 2 because I'm using the foundation of today for the first time. So let's just apply it to our skin and see if one will be okay. Shade dark 1. Let me apply dark 2. Guys, I'll be using dark 2 for my foundation. To blend it out, this is the brush I'll be using. This is one of my kabuki brush. It's very dense. So I'm just basically applying more products to my skin. Guys, one thing that I like about cream foundation is you can layer more product on your skin. Don't get me wrong, I know you can do it also in liquid foundation. Let's say I'm using liquid foundation, I can't go as heavy-handed as I'm going now with my stick foundation. No, it's not possible. You can't do that. So for my concealer, I'm actually using 2 concealers today. So the first concealer I'll be using today is Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Chestnut. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it underneath my eyes, like so, and here also. Then I'll be taking my beauty blender to blend it in. So to brighten my under eye a little bit more, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan Deep Sound. To contour my face, guys, I'm using my Huda Beauty in the shade Tan. Guys, I'm going to mix it up with my Juvia Place I Am Magic Velvet Matte Foundation in the shade Dakar. I just feel like the Huda Beauty is a little bit too dark to contour my face. That's why I'm mixing the Juvia Place together with it. Exactly, this is what I want. I don't want it to be too dark. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and blend my contour first. I'm using this brush, and this one is from Body and Soap. Guys, this is full coverage everyday makeup. No skin is speaking out today. No. Not today. No, I love my lighter shade concealer to sit a little bit on my skin before I blend it out. Guys, I don't know what's going on today. Maybe I should just stop talking because I'm not even feeling myself right now. I feel like I'm just saying jealous. I don't know, my spirit is down. I don't know why. I'm just trying to snap out of it, hopefully. So to blend the concealer area, I mean the lighter shade out, I'm using my Body and Soul brush. Go back with my beauty blender to smooth it out a little bit more. So to set my concealer area, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way setting powder in the shade Translucent Medium. I'm just so addicted to Huda Beauty setting powder that I don't want to use any other powders. I don't know if I like this powder right now. My skin is not new. It's not new to me, but I just have it there. It's just there in my drawer. I've not been using it. Just said I should give it a chance today again. But really, girl, I don't really like it. But I'm just gonna use it. So guys, now that our brows is out of the way, let's just move on to our eyelid. Then I'll be using my concealer, the one I use under my eye, the brighter shade, I mean the tart shape tape in the shade Tan Deep Sound. That's what I'm using today to prime my lid. Just watch and see what I'm about to do with my lid, and I'm sure you're gonna like it also for everyday look. So guys, I'm going to take the setting powder that I used to set my under eyes. I so tap out the excess to set this concealer. Guys, you can't see any ash line on my lid area. I'm just going to go ahead now and pop on my lashes, and I'll be right back. Guys, can you just see how lashes just elevated the look? And I use my Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara to coat my bottom lashes. I know I don't have. So let's just move on to the rest of our face. And to bronze my face, I'm using my Challote Tribury in the shade 4 Deep. Then I'm using my Real Techniques brush to apply this product on my skin. Just need to bronze for the god and bring definition to our face. You know the drill. Into the perimeter of my head, everything nicely bronzed and sun-kissed, just to bring a definition to our face. So guys, for my blush, I'm using my Fenty Beauty in the shade Mocha Mami. To apply it, I'm using my Juvia's Place brush. And guys, for my highlights, I'm using my Becca Skin Perfector highlight. So I'm basically gonna use my finger to apply this product, just like so. I don't want it to be too much, just when the sun like hits my face and give you like a little bit glowing skin. That's why I'm just using this one today. So guys, for my lip liner, I'm using my NYS Professional Makeup Lip Pencil in the shade Espresso. And for my lipstick, I'm using my Milani in the shade Matte Innocent. So to top the lipstick, I'm using my Revolution Makeup Revolution London lip gloss, and this one is called Pumped Blonde Plumpy Lipstick with Vitamin E. Set the rest of my face with powder. I'm using my Huda Beauty setting powder in shade Coffee Cake. I just need to clean the underneath of my contour area. So I'm going to be using the butt of this beauty blender to blend everything into my skin. So guys, to set my brows, I'm using my Benefit 24 Hours Brow Setter. So guys, we're almost done. Set my face, I'm using my Hollywood California Glam Glow Setter. Ooh. If you live in Germany and you want something like this, my wig, everyday wig, can you just see how beautiful this wig is? I'm just gonna be at your service. Just let me know. Call me, email me, DM me. It's part of the thing that I do now, you know. That's all you need. You don't need to like lay it down, because for some reason I like a closure more than frontal. I have frontal hair wigs, but I prefer to rock closure because it's very easy to wear. You just put it on and you are good to go. If it's curly hair, leave-in condition and some water, and that's it. If you like it, I can as well make one for you, okay? Just let me know. And that's wrap up today's video. If you like my top, it's from Fashion Nova. I like it so very much. I actually ordered some top from them. If you want me to do a try on haul for you guys, I can do it for you. I like Fashion Nova so much. Actually, this is the first time of me ordering from them, and I don't have a regret. And I'm still going to order more from them in the future. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching today's video. I'll definitely see you in my next one, or better still, if you're not doing anything right now, just click on any of these two videos. I will see you right now. Right now. Thank you guys, and bye.